Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and we are back in Jackpot, Nevada. We are at Cactus Pete's, and I wanted to give you a peek at one of these tower rooms. I've shared with you before the granite rooms, but thought you might like to see these. We're in room 5218, and here's a little tip. Always take a picture of your room key with your phone so that when you can't remember your room, you have it on your phone. There's my little tip for the day. Here's a peek at the room. I have shared with you before, as I mentioned, the granite rooms, and these tower rooms are just another option here at Cactus Pete's. I prefer the granite rooms, but sometimes they're not available. These rooms are pretty simple. Here's a peek out the back of the hotel. The swimming pool and the park and other things are on the other side. So you might request a better view. We just kind of came last minute, and this is the room that we got. Overall, these are just really nice rooms, laid out really well. If you're coming to Jackpot, Nevada, you're probably not spending a lot of time in your room. So again, just kind of wanted to show you the features here. They have everything you need. The bathrooms are really nice and come with everything that you would need. They have a shower and a tub, but again, probably not going to spend a lot of time in your room here in Jackpot. I would recommend that you request a non-smoking room because this is a casino, but overall, just kind of have everything you need. You got a fridge down there, 2 nice big comfy beds. Again, that is a look at the tower rooms here at Jackpot, Nevada. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.